Hi, my name is Vani Hari, author and founder of foodbabe.com. I used to be addicted to sugar. My brain would scream, "Sugar, sugar." As soon as I got my fix, a little bit was never enough either. I wanted more and more and more. I know many of you can relate. That's because the food industry has made it nearly impossible to avoid sugar. It's hidden in almost everything. The processed food industry carefully engineers their products to hit what they call the bliss point that keeps us wanting more and more. They have refined the art of addiction so well, they are like dealers, and the food in the grocery aisles are drugs. So many of us are addicted and don't even realize it. Did you know that 80% of the grocery store food would vanish if they didn't have sugar? Sugar is toxic, plain and simple. It wreaks havoc on our bodies, makes us age faster than we should, destroys our skin, makes it easy to carry a spare tire around our bellies, and taxes our organs. It's time to break your addiction to the food industry's most popular food additive. Many people have tried simply to stop eating sugar and have failed. That's because most of us are on a sugar craving roller coaster and don't know how to put on the brakes. But there is a way, and I've found it. It's time for the 7-day sugar detox. Do you think you can do it? I know you can. When you sign up for this program, you'll be given instant access to our Food Babe 7-day sugar detox website full of instructional videos, downloadable easy-to-follow guides, and a private forum. You'll receive 2 sets of sugar detox recipes for 7 days. So whether you are a vegan, gluten-free, paleo, vegetarian, or a meat eater, I've got you covered. And of course, all of this food is additive-free, especially from those additives the food industry uses that makes you eat more than you should. I made sure each recipe is easy to follow and the prep and cook times are short. And if you hate to cook, don't worry. You can use the guidelines in this plan to help you choose the best foods to eat when you're dining out. The exclusive videos will give you even more tips and motivation to help you succeed. As soon as you join, you'll be welcomed into our Sugar Detox Forum with open arms, where we will answer questions, share our success stories. You will receive all the support you need to get you through, including detailed guides on how to complete a sugar detox, what to eat, what not to eat, and what to do after the detox is over. I'll give you real-life emergency strategies for when you feel like you can't live without sugar and have crazy, uncontrollable cravings, especially at those times when you are at work, sitting at your desk, and at night. When you surround yourself with people who share the same goals and help to keep you accountable, you will be successful. I invite you to join us now. Let's detox from sugar together. Go to foodbabe.com/sugardetox to sign up. See you there.